And as we get into 2025, let us all reflect on the blessings that we have received in 2024 and the previous years. Kung minsan, kailangan natin isipin kung ano yung mga natatanggap nating mga kaligayahan at the same time, yung mga blessings po natin. Kasi minsan natin nakakalimutan tayo magsabi man lang na thank you very much, Lord. Thank you very much to our parents. Thank you very much to our friends. And thank you very much to our community. At habang naharapin po natin itong 2025, let us be open that we will be meeting a lot of challenges like what we are met in the previous years. Pero people, tayong haharapin. Pero isa lang po, importante sa atin, yung ating solidarity. And another is our optimism and our determination to create a better nation, not only a better Baguio, but a better nation. So sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat for coming over, for joining us today. God bless you. Mabuhay. Happy New Year.